Gutters pulling loose from your walls can seriously mess up your home's drainage and cause all kinds of headaches. So, first off, if you want to keep your gutters tight and working right, make sure you check those hangers regularly. They're the little metal pieces that hold your gutters up, and if they get weak or rusty, your gutters will start to sag or pull away. When you're dealing with hangers, reinforce them by using screws instead of nails because screws grip way better and won't pop out as easy. If the gutters are already loose, don't just slap on some quick fixes. Take the time to remove and reinstall them properly, making sure they slope just enough so water drains toward your downspouts. Also, clean your gutters often, because if they get clogged with leaves or debris, the extra weight can pull them loose over time. Another tip, use hangers spaced no more than 2 feet apart for better support, especially if you live in a rainy or snowy area. Lastly, inspect the fascia board behind the gutters since if it's rotted or damaged, even the best hangers won't hold. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gutters pulling loose is ignoring the hangers until it's too late. Fix this by inspecting them at least twice a year and tightening or replacing as needed. Another common problem is using nails instead of screws. Nails just don't hold up long term, so swap them out with corrosion-resistant screws for a solid grip. The third issue is improper installation where gutters aren't sloped correctly. Water pools in spots and adds weight, pulling gutters away from walls. Correct this by adjusting the pitch during installation to keep water moving. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging with shoddy work. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people looking for help, making sure everyone wins.